It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Wednesday, the 4th of February, the morning edition. I'm James Spann. Our annual weather tour rolls along this week. Tomorrow evening, we're going to be in Cedar Bluff in Cherokee County. If you get a chance to come out and see us, we'll be there between 4 and 6:30. It'll be cold up there. Now, let's go in there and take a look at the big picture this morning. This is the water vapor satellite view. The wave that was over Old Mexico is lifting out. That'll produce some rain near the Gulf Coast today. And there's a system in the northern branch of the jet stream, a wave there that will affect the state maybe late tonight with a few flurries, but these will not be phasing up. They will stay separate. That's the radar early this morning at 5:06. You can see raining at Dauphin Island, Gulf Shores, Orange Beach, Destin. And that's where the best chance of rain will stay during the day today, near the Gulf Coast. Up this way, pretty cold. It's cold as 23 at Fort Payne. Birmingham at 32. We'll expect a high in the middle 50s today. Still very cold up north, but temperatures up there are slowly moderating. We've got winter weather advisories for the wave in the northern branch. Even a few winter storm warnings for parts of Wyoming and Nebraska. We'll keep an eye on that, but again, it just looks like it's going to have very little impact here. In fact, we're kind of in between things. This is the precipitation for the next 5 days, valid through Monday morning at 6 o'clock. Better rains way down to the south, and again, a little bit here, maybe a few flurries late tonight, maybe a shower Sunday in spots. Really, it's starting to look like the next decent rain event could be Monday of next week, as you'll see, and big rains. Hey, look on the Pacific coast up there. That's rain amounts up there between 10 and 16 inches from San Francisco north. And, of course, we all know about the drought in California, so they'll sure take that. Chance of greater than 1 inch of snow. This is between midday today, midday tomorrow. And obviously the better chance is way north of here. We'll check the GFS. This is the OZ run, valid today at noon. And you see the deal. You got the wave in the western Gulf in the northern branch with a trough, and down below that, rain near the Gulf Coast today. Snow with the wave up north, but we're dry. Clouds gradually thickening during the day. We'll expect a high in the middle 50s today. Midnight tonight, light snow to the north with that wave. Rain to the south with a Gulf low around Dothan, but nothing here. And then at 6 o'clock tomorrow morning, the flurries just kind of fizzle out. You know, for a while, we saw some runs yesterday that kind of hinted that there might be a little bit in the grass up in the far northern part of the state. That idea is kind of getting off the table. Looks like nothing more than flurries in the middle of the night. I don't think anybody notices it. And tomorrow is just going to be a windy and colder day with clearing. We'll expect a high in the low 40s, and a pretty good north wind will make it feel colder. This is midday, and by then the sun should be out, but just a cold, kind of blustery day tomorrow. But Friday, we start to warm back up. Now, Friday morning is going to be cold. We'll be down in the middle 20s to start the day, but the high Friday should be in the mid-50s. We'll have sunshine in full supply, and a really nice day to start the weekend on Saturday. This is looking good. Bright and sunny with a high in the low 60s. Sunday, a little clipper system is approaching. And I guess you might mention a slight chance of a shower Sunday afternoon, but look at this now. All of a sudden, Monday looks pretty wet. With a surface low northeast of the state and some Gulf moisture getting entrained up that surface boundary. So if this continues to verify or show up on model runs, we'll kind of hit the chance of rain harder on Monday. And then Tuesday of next week, we are cool and dry. Highs drop back in the upper 40s. And look at that, another potential nor'easter. Like our friends in the Northeast really could use a little more snow, you know. And then Wednesday of next week, we're dry, highs in the 50s and lows in the 30s, very seasonal. We'll check the end of the forecast the 13th of February. Big ridge in the western part of the continent, troughing over the northeast and an upper low over the Gulf of California, but that would kind of keep the coldest air north of here. Temperatures coming off the ensembles. You can see that nice weekend with low 60s in here. And then temperatures cool down again next week. And again, you know, on an average basis, all of this looks a little below average for this time of the year for February, but nothing bitterly cold. Arctic oscillation kind of hangs out in positive range. And the NAO is kind of hugging the neutral line, so no big clues there. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock today. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.